Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install Google Drive in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's do our video. First, go to any web browser that you like. Here type download Google Drive and hit enter key on your keyboard. First link is from Google. Download Google Drive. First link, open the first link. And here we find our Google Drive link. Here we find download driver for desktop. I give this website link in the description also. Click on the download driver for desktop and our download is started. It's take few minutes. So be patient and wait for a few minutes. Our download is completed now. Go to the here. Here we find show in a folder. Click on show in a folder. Minimize our website. Drag this setup file to desktop. Close it. Here is our Google Drive setup file. Right click on it. Click on run as an administrator. Click on run as an administrator. Click on the yes. Here we find add application shortcut to desktop. I want it. Also I want Google Doc, Sheets and Slides shortcuts. So I check this and click on the install. It's install our drivers. It's take few minutes. So be patient and wait for a few minutes. Click on the launch. Here we find Google Drive and here we find get started. Click on get started. If you want to create a new account, then click on the create account. If you want to use existing account, then click on sign in. I am using existing account, so I click on sign in and go to the here. Here add your email ID, and click on the next. Add your password, click on the next. It's asked to type your phone number and country code. Add your country code. Click on the next. It sent a password or 6-digit code to your mobile. Add that code at here. Click on the next. Click on sign in. That is important. Not click on close, cancel. Click on sign in. Now go to our Google Drive. It's connecting to our drive. It's take few minutes. Now new settings options are available for us. If you want to attach your desktop folder or desktop to your Google Drive, then select that. And if you want to document, then document. If you want to download, then download folder. If you attach this, then any file that you add to your desktop automatically goes to the Google Drive. I don't want to add these all desktop documents or downloads. I want to add my own folder. So I click on the add folder and select any folder that you want. I go to the desktop. On desktop, I have one folder, my images. In that folder, I go to my images. In that folder, I have many images. I want to add this images folder to there. So I click at here and select this folder. Select the folder and here we find our my images. I add any file or delete any file from there, then that automatically sync to the Google Drive, then automatically goes to that drive. Click on next. Got it. I don't want to add pictures or videos folder to the Google Drive, so I go to the skip. Here we find my folder or my images is added and one folder. Click on next. The next option is our drive is attached at our disk. Okay, that is our goal. Click on next and click on open drive. And here we find our drive. Now I go to the here. Here we find drive. Right click on it or click at here. And here we find our folder, recently added folder is going or syncing the files from there. Okay, that is our goal. After that, go to the here, my PC, this PC. In this PC, we find Google Drive. G is new drive. Double click on it and folders on my file is my drive. Click on my drive and here we find our Google Drive files on our PC or laptop. And by using this folder, you can add any file to the Google Drive or delete any file from the Google Drive. So guys, this is the simplest way to download and install Google Drive and use Google Drive on our Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.